Insta360 has made its mark as a leading innovator in the action camera industry, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. While the Ace Pro 2 is not officially confirmed, leaks and insider information suggest that it's shaping up to be a game changer in the action camera market. According to various credible sources, this upcoming model will feature a host of upgrades that focus on improved image and video quality, better stabilization, and more versatility for different shooting conditions. The camera is expected to support 8K video resolution at 4320p, which offers breathtaking detail and clarity, allowing content creators to capture every moment with stunning precision. The ability to record in 8K opens the door for high-resolution slow-motion footage at up to 240 frames per second, perfect for emphasizing the finer details of fast-paced scenes. Versatility is another strong point of the Ace Pro 2, which is expected to include a range of shooting modes such as time-lapse, hyperlapse, and slow motion, allowing users to capture dynamic and engaging content. With new AI enhancements, these modes are likely to see improvements, offering more customization and intuitive control. While there's new official information on the design of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, it's expected to maintain the brand's signature compact and durable form factor. With a reputation for rugged designs, the Ace Pro 2 is likely to feature an enhanced water-resistant body, potentially rated up to 33 feet, along with shock-proof capabilities and better temperature resistance. The Ace Pro 2 is rumored to feature a state-of-the-art 50-megapixel sensor. Larger sensors allow for improved dynamic range, greater detail, and better low-light performance. With a 111.3-inch format sensor, the Ace Pro 2 can be expected to deliver stunning visuals in various lighting conditions, capturing everything from bright, sunlit scenes to dim, low-light environments with exceptional clarity and sharpness. Under the hood, the Ace Pro 2 is said to be powered by a new 5nm AI processor. This advanced chip would enable faster processing speeds, more efficient power consumption, and smarter AI-driven enhancements. The AI chip could help with everything from real-time noise reduction and improved autofocus accuracy to better image processing for more natural colors and depth. AI-assisted features could also play a big role in the Ace Pro 2, providing options like automatic horizon leveling, smart object tracking, and even more advanced scene recognition. The Ace Pro 2 might also come equipped with upgraded zoom capabilities, featuring a 2x digital zoom that allows users to get closer to their subjects without compromising image quality. Early estimates suggest a price point that could range between $499 and $699, depending on the configuration and any additional accessories. As we await official announcements, keep an eye out for more updates and leaks. Stay tuned for more information as we continue to follow this exciting development.